In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Claude AI internal server error if you're seeing a 500 style error when trying to use Claude. Don't worry, these are usually temporary and often resolve with a few quick checks. I'll walk you through exactly what to do, why it helps, and how to get back up and running fast. First, confirm whether the issue is on the provider's side. Open your browser and visit statusanthropic.com. This status page shows live service health and any ongoing incidents. If you see a notice about degraded performance or an outage that matches what you're experiencing, the best course is simply to wait for their team to restore normal service. You can keep the page open and refresh it occasionally to monitor updates. Next, give it a short window to self-resolve. Most internal server errors are server-side and clear up within 1 to 5 minutes. Avoid hammering the refresh button, as repeated requests won't speed things up and can sometimes make rate limits kick in. Instead, pause for a minute or two, then try your request again. If the error persists, temporarily disable any VPN or proxy you're using. VPNs can route your traffic through locations or IPs that trigger additional checks or cause connectivity hiccups, which can lead to API or session errors. Turn your VPN off for a moment and retry Claude. If your connection uses a proxy configured by software or your operating system, switch it off briefly and test again. You can always re-enable it after confirming whether it's the cause. If you still see problems, clear your browser data or try an incognito or private window. A quick incognito test is a low-effort way to bypass cached files and stale cookies. If Claude works in incognito, that points to cached data as the culprit. To fix it in your main browser session, clear cache and cookies, ideally for the Claude site first to minimize disruption. Keep in mind that clearing cookies may sign you out of websites, so be prepared to log back in afterward. Finally, sign out of Claude and sign back in. This refreshes your session and authentication tokens, which can fix issues that look like server errors but are actually session related. After logging back in, retry your previous action. To wrap up, check the status page, wait briefly, disable VPN or proxies, clear cache or use a private window, and log out and back in. Following these steps methodically resolves most internal server errors and gets you back to your work quickly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you troubleshoot with confidence.